This is a review of the AKWOX, hope I said that right, screen protector for my GoPro. And this is something that I had purchased myself, just a little extra protection for the screen on my GoPro. So in the box, we get 3 wipes. We get 3 protectors, and we get 3 of these little sticky packs, and we're going to go through that in a few moments. We also see we have installation on what to do. So let's go start with this. We start with our lens, and we start with, we only need 1 of these, of each of these. Put the rest away. So there's 2 wipes, the wet and the dry. Let's start with the wet wipe, because we need to get this nice and clean. We don't want any oil or anything on the screen. Yeah, there's a little moisture on there. Make sure all those fingerprints and grass stains from flying this on my quadcopter are totally removed. And yeah, that is plenty wet. You can hear this little squeakiness. Okay, I think that's done. Now let's open the dry wipe. These are tiny. Let's open that up a little bit more. Don't want any finger oil in. Yeah, I did wash my hands before I did this. So let's just keep moving that around. This is supposed to take all the cleaner off. And that looks really clean. Okay, now that we got that. By the way, you'll notice we have this little edge right there by the microphone. And that's important to note. Now we take out our screen protector, and we can see here the front, and the front means against the glass. And we also have that little notch there, and we know that notch is going to go against there. So here's the trick. Get it in place. Actually, before we get in place, take these little strips here. These are like guide strips. Take these off, and you're going to put it on this side, 2 of them. You'll see why in a minute. These are going to be like hinges for placement. Oh, get it on there completely. Okay. And now I'm going to put my stronger glasses on. And we want to get that exactly in position. And you can use put a little pressure on there, and you can feel it fits in there. And then just move that tape down right on the side so it's stuck. And this makes a hinge, because we're going to remove the sticky back, and we want it to set right back down. And this is a great way to just keep it right in place. Perfect. So now that we got that, we're going to peel off the stickiness and use this hinge to settle it right in place like that. And that looks really good. Don't know if I have any bubbles yet. And yeah, I like that. So now that we got that down, we're pretty much done now. We can take these stickies and peel them off. They did their job. Now the next thing I want to do is see, do I have any bubbles in there? And I can use this dry one. Oh, that's the wet one. No, I can use the wet one first. Let's clean it off. Boom. And let's use the dry one now. Let's see if we got any bubbles. This is really very much like a phone protector, and no. And by the way, you're probably asking, what the heck is this big one for? These kits were also designed similarly for cell phones, so if I had any dust, I could lift that up, stick this on the original lens, and pull off any dust. But we didn't need that. But that's it. That is all done. I mean, if I didn't tell you, you wouldn't know that I have a reinforced protection on that glass. Isn't that beautiful? Here, let's bring it up close so you can see. Really, you cannot tell that I have added anything to this. I am very impressed with this. And when I put this on my quadcopter, I know If I smash into something, it may save me the cost of replacing the glass there. So that's cool. Great. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you learned something today on how to protect your GoPro better. Oh, by the way, I bought this on Amazon. It costs less than $8, and you get, again, 3 protectors in this. So if I mess this up, I could always take it off and put a new one on, and I'm good to go again. Again, it was like $7.98. Your mileage may vary. Happy flying. Enjoy the rest of your day. And oh, by the way, if you like what you've seen here and you learned something today, please subscribe to my channel. Help me to create more videos like this just by saying you like the channel, and ring that bell too, because that means you'll get a notification when I put my next video up. Thanks so much. Have a great day.